What if I told you there's one simple movement? No gym, no weights, no fancy gear that can build leg strength, improve posture, boost your energy, and yes, even support your libido? Sounds unbelievable, right? But it's completely real. Most people over 50 have never even heard of it. It's called the horse stance. At first glance, it looks like you're just standing still. But don't be fooled. This ancient posture has been practiced for centuries by martial artists, athletes, and healers, not for how it looks, but for what it does. Here's the best part. It takes only 2 minutes a day. You can do it right in your living room, kitchen, or even beside your bed. No running, no gym membership, no stress on your joints. But what truly makes it special is that it trains your mind just as much as your muscles. What it does for balance, joint health, pelvic circulation, and even hormonal vitality might surprise you. In this video, I'll break down exactly why the horse stance works and how you can start using it today to stay strong, sharp, and centered after 50. Stick around, because benefit number 7 is something nobody talks about, but everyone over 50 should know. Before we jump in, drop your name and where you're watching from in the comments. We'd love to hear from you. Real strength always begins from the ground up. Let's face it, after 50, leg strength isn't about looking fit. It's about standing up from a chair without using your hands, climbing stairs without wincing, and walking confidently without worrying about falling. The horse stance is like a powerhouse for your lower body. As you lower into position, your quads, glutes, hamstrings, and calves fire together and stay active the whole time you hold it. No jumping, no impact, just controlled tension. That's where the real magic happens. Unlike high-impact exercises that wear down joints, this stance builds solid strength without the pain. It's gentle on the knees, but challenging for the muscles, the perfect combo for an aging body. Here's something few people realize. The stronger your legs, the more independent you stay. From carrying groceries to catching your balance, your legs are your life support. Just 2 minutes a day of horse stance can restore lost power and give you a steady, grounded feeling that affects everything you do. Aging gracefully isn't about losing strength. It's about training smarter. Now, let's talk about the core, your body's lifeline. Most think core strength means six-pack abs, but after 50, it's about stability, posture, and spinal protection. The horse stance quietly activates your entire core, not just the front, but the sides, obliques, and deep back muscles too. When you hold the position, your body has to balance itself without leaning, twisting, or collapsing. That subtle effort? It's your core firing at full power. A strong core reduces pressure on your back, improves posture, and makes daily movements like turning, standing, and sitting much easier. Unlike planks or crunches that strain the neck and shoulders, the horse stance builds lasting core endurance, the kind of strength that holds you upright through the day. Because after 50, your core isn't for show. It's for survival. Next, balance. The silent skill that fades with age. You don't notice it until you stumble, miss a step, or grab a wall. The horse stance helps restore it naturally. Holding this pose forces your body to find its center from head to toe. Your muscles stabilize you, but your brain reawakens something called proprioception, your internal GPS that tells your body where it is in space. Think of it as recalibrating your balance system. Over time, this builds stability and confidence, whether you're walking, dancing, or hiking. The best part, you don't need to stand on one leg or use gadgets. Just your body, your breath, and stillness. Falls aren't random, they're warnings. This movement helps prevent them by reactivating your balance before it's too late. Let's move to something less discussed, pelvic health. After 50, it's not just about muscle and mobility, it's also about vitality and circulation. The horse stance naturally engages deep muscles around your hips, pelvis, and lower abdomen, the ones traditional workouts ignore. As you hold the pose, blood flow increases to your pelvic area, improving vascular health and tissue function. For men, this supports erectile function and control. For women, it enhances pelvic floor strength and bladder stability. It's not about vanity, It's about staying connected to your body. And since the stance also regulates breathing and lowers stress hormones, it can improve mood, sleep, and overall energy. Because aging doesn't have to mean slowing down, it can mean waking up. Next, train the body, calm the mind. Most workouts move your body, but the horse stance trains your mind. When your legs start to shake and your mind says, stop, and you stay anyway, that's where resilience forms. You're not just building muscle, you're building inner strength. This kind of calm focus reduces cortisol, improves emotional control, and sharpens the mind. Life may not get easier, but this kind of daily stillness makes you stronger inside and out. It's emotional armor. One small hard thing that changes how you handle everything else. Now, joints. Our biggest complaint as we age. The horse stance strengthens them gently. Because there's no impact or repetitive strain, it builds joint integrity safely through something called isometric loading. It conditions the tendons and ligaments that hold everything together. When your knees, hips, and ankles stay aligned in this pose, they grow stronger without damage. Over time, stiffness fades, and everyday movement feels smoother. It's like reinforcing your body's internal scaffolding, silent but powerful. Then there's hip mobility, the secret to staying young. Tight hips cause pain, stiffness, even posture problems. As you lower into the stance, your hips open gradually, stretching deep connective tissue safely. You don't have to go low or twist. Even a shallow stance helps loosen your hips over time. Better hip mobility improves balance, digestion, and reduces back strain. When your hips move well, so does your whole life. Feeling low energy or mood swings? The horse stance can also boost hormones naturally. That mild physical stress lowers cortisol and increases testosterone and endorphins, your body's natural energizers. That means better mood, more drive, and sharper focus. It's not a miracle, it's biology. And here's the truth. You don't need another supplement. You just need purpose and stillness with intention. Let's not forget, this move works your entire body without taking a single step. Your legs support your weight, your core stabilizes, your back and shoulders engage, even your arms participate. That's total body activation, strength without stress. It's perfect for people over 50 because it builds functional strength, the kind you actually use in daily life. No equipment, no noise, just your body in sync. And finally, it's a gym you carry everywhere. Most people over 50 don't love the gym, the crowds, the music, the risk of injury. But with the horse stance, your body is your gym. You can do it anywhere. Bedroom, kitchen, patio, or during a coffee break. 2 minutes a day, that's it. Consistency beats complexity, and this habit is easy to sustain. Because what truly matters after 50 isn't intensity, it's consistency. Here's how to do it safely. Stand with feet together, step out, toes out, heels out, until you're about double shoulder width. Toes slightly outward. Slowly lower your hips, as if sitting on an invisible chair. Keep your chest up, back straight, knees tracking over toes. Eyes forward, chin level. Breathe in through your nose, out through your mouth. Hold 30 seconds, then build up to 1 or 2 minutes. Move slow. Stay tall. Feel grounded. Avoid this if you've had recent surgery on your knees, hips, or back, or if you have severe balance issues or uncontrolled high blood pressure. Always consult your doctor before starting. Now, why does this matter? Because in a world that pushes you to move faster and do more, the horse stance reminds you that stillness can be strength. It's not flashy, it's not loud, but it works. At this stage of life, you don't need more chaos. You need control, balance, and calm confidence. In just 2 minutes a day, you can rebuild your strength, restore balance, and feel grounded again, all without machines, pills, or strain. This isn't just exercise. It's a reminder that you're not done growing. You still have power. You can still improve, no matter your age. Small, consistent actions create real change, and the horse stance is one of them. So here's the challenge. Stand up, find a quiet space, and give it 30 seconds. Feel what happens when you choose stillness with purpose.